All right, hey, Josh here, Atticalumber Company, back out here actually in Tiffin, Ohio. Now check this project out, 22 by 40. In this video, I want to show you what we're doing as far as setting the floor trusses. But before we see that, look at this beautiful, this building's going to have AZEK trim, as you see there. See those beautiful French doors as well. But I want to show you what we're doing. We're putting these floor trusses in place right here, okay? You can see a second story. And what we did, if you saw the other video, we actually had to step away from that. We framed this building up, and then the concrete, the masons came in, and they poured this 4-inch concrete, as you can see right here. But let's take a look here. Look at the floor trusses here for the second floor. Pretty neat thing here. This is going to be a carriage barn. It obviously has some moving parts here, but 16 inches on center is how we set this up, as you probably can see there. And you can see how we notched that. See how we put the 2x6s there, and we have the floor trusses wedged in between there, and you see we get this set up as well. So post frame structure, again, the green post, but then you can see we're building out 2x6 walls as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use actually 3/4 inch TNG OSB here for the subfloor. As you can see, they're starting to apply that right now. But want to give you kind of an idea here what's going on with this project, step by step, and we'll keep you up to date on this as we go. But you can see here the AZEK trim, a nice touch, and this is going to be obviously a decorative piece, but a 22 by 40, 20 feet tall. And then let me just go over here. You can see we set the cupola up there, nice big cupola, snowbirds on the roof. So step by step here, it's a process. Tight quarters right here in the city, but we're getting it done. So, and for more information, atticalumber.com. Keep on the journey. Atticalumber since 1925.